welcome back to my channel. Finally, after almost like, I don't know, 2 months of not uploading anything, I'm back with another video, and this is obviously gonna be a hair tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how I did this curl in less than 15 minutes. So this trick that I learned, I would like to give the credits to my hairdresser, because she was the one who taught me how to do it. But I'm not sure though if she's gonna watch this video, because I don't think she knows that this channel exists. But yeah, credits to Dana Bravo. She also did color my hair. If you haven't noticed yet, I had my hair colored. If you want to get your hair colored, or if you want a haircut or any other hair service, hit her up. I'm gonna link her Instagram. Page down below. If you are in Winnipeg, go hit her up. And yeah, so let's start with the video. How do I look? Okay, let's start. I've already blow dried my hair, but you can still air dry your hair. It works the same. So for today, or oh, I thought it's already on. But nakasaksak na siya. So I'm using this hair curler that I recently got, and it's a brand from BEX. It's not your usual hair curling iron, because this one is pretty long. That means you have like a lot of space to work on compared to the ones that I have. Kasi yung mga yun, hanggang like ganito lang sila kahaba. So it's less space than this. So this one I prefer using better. But I have another one which is the diameter is, it's 1 1/4, which is a bit thicker than this, because the thicker the curling barrel is, the bigger the curls you're gonna get. I actually much prefer the 1 1/4 hair barrel, because that I'd get larger waves or larger curls. But this one I would use because, like I said, it has longer barrel compared to the other one. So I would section my hair from my temples across the crown of my head, and I'm just gonna do this. Lagay ko yung settings to 430 Fahrenheit. And now I'm gonna section this hair that I have left into 2. I tried to curl this whole thing para itry ko lang kung mas mabilis, but it didn't work because hindi siya ganun ka-curly. What I do, I would section this into 2. So basically I have 4 sections on this lower part. So I would section it like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take this part and make sure that it's facing this way. Yung clip is on the front, like nasa harap. And so ilalagay ganyan lang. I'm not a good talker, so just follow what I'm doing. So ipipress ko to nung paganyan, and then I'm gonna twist it, and then press, twist, and then press. So while I'm pressing it, I would pull it pa ganyan, pa ganon. Ganyan. And I'm gonna release one curl. I'm gonna release one twist and then press and twist it again. And then I would release one twist and then press and then twist again. Oops. So now I'm gonna proceed with the next section. So I'm gonna twist that and then press. Press and pull. And then I'm gonna release one twist and then twist it again and then press it and then twist it again, press and pull and then release one curl. So parang ulit-ulit na. Ganun. And yan. And I'm gonna leave this on the side or on the back. This part I'm gonna section as well into two. So make sure yung part na to ay nandito sa harap. And you're gonna catch your hair and then twist it and press and pull. Twist, press and pull. And then you're gonna release one twist. Tapos press and pull. So make sure you're pulling it while you're pressing it, but don't press it too hard because if you did, matatanggal siya lahat. And then we're gonna release one curl. And we're gonna do this last piece sa likod. So we're gonna twist that, press and pull, and then release one twist, and then you press it. And then we're gonna release it. We're gonna proceed with this part, so tatanggalin na siya. And I usually part my hair in the middle because that's how she put the highlights on. So then this part and this one too, we're gonna divide it into two. So that's gonna be 4 sections. It's gonna be the same as the first one. So it's gonna be like this. Make sure it's all even. That way, pagka binrush mo na after, it'll look all nice. Pagka ganyan, tapos may nakita kang mga flyaway, I would usually do this. Oh my god, the struggle is real. Like what I did before, make sure this part nakaharap siya like this. And then you're gonna put your hair in the middle. You're gonna catch it with the iron. And you're gonna release this hair like that. Tapos, iikot mo siya ng kaganyan. And then you're going to press and pull it outwards. But make sure you don't press it too hard because if you did, malalaglag siya lahat. And then you twist it again. And then you pull it. And then you're gonna release one curl. And then you're gonna twist it back again. And press and pull. And then twist it again. And then release that one curl. And then release that one curl. Twist it back. And so release that and then twist it and then we're going to release that and twist it back. Shit, inaantok ako. So now we're gonna let it cool. I'll just grab my hairspray. Use this hairspray from Kenra. It's the light hold hairspray, but you can use any other hairspray, of course. Do that on the curls while they're still intact. Once you put the hairspray, you're gonna comb it through your hands like this. Keep on combing your hair through your hands para ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong, like, gusto mong look like this. Or you can also brush it with an actual hairbrush, and that way it's gonna loosen up the curls and it's gonna look like this. So that's how I curl my hair, and I hope you guys picked up some tricks and tips. And thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions or any video suggestions, just make sure to leave them down below, and I'll try to answer or